Saver, 620 cabin, let's go test it, but follow us. I'll explain right away why we're going to test it. Now, this boat is a used boat for sale. Barchi Belandi, 130 horsepower wave. But let's define, or better yet see, some technical details of the boat. Since I imagine someone might be tired of seeing my big face in videos, I'm taking this shot from the right distance so you can see the excellent cockpit of this boat. But we were talking about the details of the boat. The boat is a 2004 model used only in fresh water. So here on Lake Garda, the boat is 590 meters long with 6.20 meters being the overall length. The width of the boat is 2.38 meters, making it very trailer friendly. The capacity is for 7 people, so it can accommodate even a large family. The engine, this fantastic one, even if you can't hear it, is a 130 horsepower Honda engine with electronic injection. Amazing. 4-stroke, of course. As I mentioned earlier, the cockpit is really spacious and comfortable with a central table and an L-shaped sofa, with the chaise longue on the left side of the boat. So on board, engine at the stern. Obviously, the 4-stroke engine that I rightly left running, so you can hear that it can't be heard. The side passage for direct access to the sea is right on that side, so on the starboard side of the boat on the right. The helm station, which is the area where you steer the boat, has a central steering wheel and a remote control for the engine command. Obviously, an excellent fish finder. If you don't want to miss any of the fish you can catch. Onboard instrumentation, of course, original from Honda. A compass, so you never lose your way. So everything you might need, absolutely essential. It's there. To the left of the boat, opposite the steering point, we have this cabinet that can absolutely be used for storing items or provisions. Right here below, but above, we have an excellent sink. Very useful if you're out all day, for instance, to wash your fruit or to wash your hands. In any case, everything is here, nice and convenient and ready. But let's also take a look at the center next to the pilot. The entrance to the cabin. Let's go in, let's discover, follow me. The cabin, it's a double bed, really large. The central part can be removed to allow easier access, but it can also be covered to create a true double bed with the dimensions of a double bed at home. Slightly narrower at the bow, but the width is practically throughout the entire boat. Right under my legs at this moment, there's also the marine toilet, which can be useful if you need to spend a lot of time, or if you find it convenient to have a toilet on board. Let's also take a look at the details. Certainly the sunbathing area at the bow couldn't be missing, right above the deck house, above the cabin, also a double, just like the bed below. Okay, but enough talking with all this chatting. I get tired, my throat gets dry, so I'm disconnecting here. I even attached it to my pants, so if I fall, my pants will fall too. Engage the gears. Let's lower the trim. Bow towards the open sea. We're quite far from the coast. Let's accelerate, but push the throttle and have some fun. Follow us. An important factor for covering many miles and consuming the right amount is the minimum planing speed or cruising speed. Let's see what we're doing. cruising at 15 knots, 3,800 RPM. We're covering a lot of miles here, huh? But let's see how fast we go by pushing the throttle. Come on, let's push it, trim the engine well. Well, you know, nice one, nice one. 29.5 knots, 5,900 RPM. Great. Let's also see how many seconds it takes to get on plane. I'm in neutral, gear engaged at idle. 3, 2, 1, go. We got on plane in 4 seconds. Well, the power is there. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, all you have to do is subscribe right here on this channel. I hope you enjoyed this test and had fun following us. All the information I mentioned during the video, and not just that, you will find it in the card, in the drop down of this video, as well as the link to the commercial sheet, in short, how much the boat costs, if it's available, and all the information to make the boat yours. In fact, you will also find all our contacts, our physical address, so whether it's at Garda or our email address and phone numbers, of course. From Lake Garda, there's nothing left for me to say, but fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.